How to upgrade, downgrade an account in WHM. This demo assumes you've already logged in to WebHost Manager. Now let's learn how to upgrade or downgrade an account in WHM. Click the Account Functions link. Then click Upgrade Downgrade an account. Upgrading or downgrading an account uses account packages. In other words, we're simply going to assign a different package to one of the accounts in WHM. Select the account you wish to upgrade. The account is currently set up as a silver package as shown here. Click the Modify button. Note the demo reseller appended to the beginning of the package name. That is the username of this WHM reseller plan's main account and indicates that the silver package was created solely for the use of this reseller plan. The packages listed here at the top, without demo reseller in front, are global packages created by the root user for this server. Let's upgrade this account. Select the new package. Then click the Upgrade Downgrade button. That's it. The account has been upgraded to the new package. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to upgrade or downgrade an account in WHM.